Hi guys, welcome back to another video, part 2. I'm still working on this door. I have to put the door back on. The door is built to use. What the door is. This one is not. Doesn't want to cooperate. Let's make it look more. Doesn't look like it was. The door was. I don't want to leave it how it is. I can make it worse. This is why you guys don't do it by yourself. That's why you guys should have someone who trained to do this. A trained professional or a builder to put this on. Because they're a professional. They know what they do. Fuss it up. It's us. We don't know what we're doing. And no, I'm still here to try to fix it. Make sure you guys do that. Make sure you hold two. See how I'm doing it, guys? I'm holding this side and this side. Make sure you hold those two door hinges. Okay, guys? Make sure you guys hold those two door hinges before it don't fall off. Okay, guys? Make sure you hold those two door hinges before it don't fall off. Yes, it do take some time. But as you see in my first video, I was having trouble. This is part 2. Still the same thing, trying to fix it the right way. Difficult. This is a difficult way I've ever seen, because this door doesn't want to stay up. Now how hard I drew it in if it won't stick. It won't stay, it won't push the other door out. Make it wiggly. Now it doesn't turn anymore. Okay? Now this side. Same thing. This is almost done. Keep spinning until you can't spin no more. See? I'm spinning. Still spinning. As you guys see, I can't spin it no more. Though it's still kind of wiggly, but I've tried to fix it. To do it, you can't, cause I tried gluing more, but it don't glue any further. Yeah. Yeah, guys. As you see, when you're in it, the door might still be wiggly and stuff. But yeah, that's how you fix a door. If you need to fix the door, you still could fix the door. Now, one way how you could fix the door handle if needed, okay? So, yeah, this is how you fix the door. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and enjoy the video. And for the next one, thank you for joining Randy Talk community, and hope this video helped. Have a wonderful rest and have a great day. Peace out. everyone. Peace out. Wendy Talk Community. Peace.